Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Josie. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vegetable sauce with unripe plantain. Okay, so relax and enjoy this video. Okay guys, these are my ingredients. This curry, seasoning cube, diced onions, crayfish, groundnut oil, blended tomatoes, blended pepper, salt for taste, my green leaf, pumpkin, which we normally call ugu. Then on this side is my unripe plantain. Yeah, so this is the fish that I'm going to be using for the sauce. So I'm going to be using this Ninja air fryer to grill my fish. Okay, I'll set it to about 15 minutes. Yeah. So on this pot, I'll be using it to boil my unripe plantain. The water is already on the fire. I'm washing my plantain now. So this is the end product of it. Then I'll allow the water to boil for a while. I'll be adding my salt for taste. Then add the plantain. Yeah, this is unripe plantain. Or you can use any plantain of your choice, either ripe or unripe. So you will cover for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, yeah. So on this other pot, I'll be using it to make the sauce for the vegetable. So I'm adding my groundnut oil, then allow it to heat. Then you add your onion, your diced onion. You stir for a while, allow the onion to cook. Now I'm adding my tomatoes. Yeah, the tomato is frozen because I just got it from the fridge. So I'll add it and allow it to heat up for a while. As you can see, my plantain is still boiling on the fire. So we'll stir the tomatoes to check if the tomatoes are defrosted. But as you can see, it's still there. So you allow it to cook a little bit longer. But before then, you'll be adding your curry. Yeah, you add your curry. I'm using curry powder. So after adding it, you stir for a while. Then we will leave it to cook a little bit longer. Then we'll leave it to cook a little bit longer. Right now, we'll be adding our blended pepper. Now, I'm still adding more pepper because I need my sauce to be spicy. But you can choose the quantity of pepper you need in your own sauce, okay? Now, we stir a little bit and allow it to boil. We'll be adding our crayfish to the sauce. Then you stir carefully. Ensure that you stir the sauce very well to allow the crayfish to mix up. Then you allow it to heat up a little bit more. So right now we'll be adding our seasoning cube. So right now we'll be stirring this sauce to ensure that the seasoning cube is properly mixed. So we'll be adding a pinch of salt for taste. Right now our plantain is almost ready. So guys, we'll be washing our vegetables now. So you have to add salt and use a lot of water to wash it to avoid sand in your sauce. You have to wash it thoroughly. This part of cooking is very, very important. So you have to take your time to wash your vegetables properly. Right now, our vegetable is thoroughly washed. So we've added the vegetable inside the tomato sauce. So you mix them up properly and allow it to cook for like about 5 minutes. Then we are checking our fish. Our fish is already grilled. We'll be adding our fish to the sauce. Stir it for a while. Voila, our sauce is ready. Can you see the goodness? Can you see how delicious the sauce is looking? I bet it looks so sumptuous. Okay, guys, if not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Okay, so that you'll be getting more of my recipes. Okay, so guys, hope you really enjoyed this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.